from Kunnur, Nilgiris, and I used to work as a civil engineer and I'm an structural engineer. And I've always been fascinated about drones since I saw a show on Discovery about 5 years back, India's Best Jobs. And I've been following drones ever since, and I'm fascinated about them, how they fly. And recently I've heard that it has been used in civil fields in aerial photography and 3D mapping. So I began searching if there's any institution that teaches this, train us in 3D mapping. So when I searched, I found the Skywalk nearby in Coimbatore, and the reviews were great. So I came here to train myself to fly drones and learn 3D mapping and aerial photography. Plus, the ambience over here is very great at Skywalk. The staff here are very kind and they are knowledgeable. They teach us, train us in a different way. Before I could fly a drone, I was introduced to simulators where I was flying using a remote control such as this in a simulator for 2 days. There was a theory class explaining all the rules and regulations in India. Then after the simulation, I was put in hands-on training where I was flying a drone for 4 days. Learned a lot of tricks and really how to fly a drone safely. Then coming here and learning this was very beneficial for me at Skywalk. It pointed me in the right direction to learn what to look for and what to research and what to learn. It gave me a lot of various wide amount of knowledge on drones and where we are now in the market and what to expect and what to put forward for carrying out this 3D mapping and aerial mapping thing. So in conclusion, Skywalk is a great academy. Staff here are very kind, they crack jokes and very knowledgeable. They train you in a very kind way and easy way. Plus in an effective way, they teach you what has to be taught in a very good way. So I would recommend Skywalk for drone training, any kind of training.
Skywalk Drobotics Academy Coimbatore provides drone pilot training for wedding and professional photographers. Join now.